Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you some basic short English phrases related to your children's. घर में अपने बच्चों के साथ इंग्लिश बोलिए. This one, ये वाला. That one, वो वाला. Do it, इसे करो. Do it fast, इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Hurry up, जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Take bath, नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. Go and play, जाकर खेलो. Go and play. Say goodbye. Goodbye बोलो. Say goodbye to your uncle. अपने अंकल को goodbye बोलो. Take a bite. एक नवाला खा लो. Take a bite. Take a sip. एक घूंट पी लो. Take a sip. Put your books in the bag. अपनी किताबें बैग में रखो. Put your books in the bag. Never, कभी नहीं. Never. Clean it. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Never mind. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Repeat it. इसे दोहराओ. Repeat it. Repeat after me. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Try again. दोबारा कोशिश करो. Try again. Get up. उठ जाओ. Get up. Wake up. जाग जाओ. Wake up. Be happy. खुश रहो. Be happy. Let's play a game. एक गेम खेलते हैं. Let's play a game. Stand still. सीधे खड़े रहो. Stand still. Don't move. हिलो मत. Don't move. Go upstairs. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Come downstairs. नीचे आओ. Come downstairs.